Welcome to iPage Services, the pioneers in cutting-edge UAV services across Singapore and Southeast Asia. With our expertise, precision, and commitment, we're here to revolutionize the way you see mapping and surveying. Join us on this journey as we explore the 3 exceptional services we offer for all your mapping needs. Are you ready to rediscover the heart of rural landscapes? Introducing our Total State Rural Land Resurvey service. With our advanced UAV technology, we capture the true essence of rural territories. Our high-resolution aerial mapping provides accurate data for land records, agricultural planning, and infrastructure development. At iPage Services, we're dedicated to preserving the past while shaping a sustainable future. Svarmikva Villager Body Area Mapping, a service that empowers communities. Our UAVs soar above, mapping every inch of village lands with precision. We help you demarcate residential and commercial zones, enabling better urban planning and infrastructure allocation. Together, we create a roadmap for growth that's built on data-driven decisions. In the fast-paced world of urban development, accuracy is paramount. Our Urban Land Resurvey service ensures that cities keep evolving seamlessly. Our drones capture intricate details of urban sprawls, updating property boundaries, assessing infrastructure needs, and aiding in smart city initiatives. With iPage services, the urban landscape transforms from confusion to clarity. Behind every mission's success is a dedicated team. At iPage Services, our experts blend innovation and experience to redefine mapping possibilities. In a visionary pursuit of excellence, iPage Services, a leading provider of UAV services in Singapore and Southeast Asia, embarks on an ambitious mission: the comprehensive resurvey of vast state lands. Our mission unfolds through the following strategic phases.